morning, guys. What's going on? Today is November 9th, 2022. Just gonna take you through a couple service calls if I have, see what I have. I know I have to go change a indoor control board on a space pack right now. And I have a helper with me today for some other stuff. I'm not sure what's going on. But I think it was 27 degrees when I woke up this morning, so it's still 7:25. It's probably like 28 degrees out. I think the high is going to be like 50. So hopefully we get a no heat or two. But anyway, hope all is well. Hope the weather is like this wherever you guys are, because it's gorgeous here. I don't mind the cold or the hot as long as it's sunny out. If it's sunny out, give me any temperature, but the rain sucks. Let's see what it is. Okay, so we're gonna turn this off. Space pack. Actually, this goes this way. Pressure switch. So there's a float switch. We're gonna wire in. We're gonna break R. So right here. Thank you. There you go. You broke R. Put the R in the R terminal, or the one leg of the float switch in the R terminal, and you break R there. And now we're ready for power. Call for heat. Fan on auto. It's on a delay. Stand by. I'll wait for it to kick on. Okay, W circuit kicked on. Let's see that it starts up. Okay, we're gonna throw the cover panel back on. Where's that at? Thank you, sir. Right here, we have 71 degrees in the room, and we want to climb.
84, 87, 90, 93, 94 and a half, 96.6, 100, 101, 104, 105, 106, 107.1, 107.8.
Oh my God, I'm invited to a Christmas party. Don't even say.
110.5.
What do you get for Thanksgiving? I'm saying
112. Could you call E?
No, why?
Oh no, my Eric. And I want you to ask him a question about a wireless sensor. 114.6. So this is working lovely.
Yes, I did ask for you.
1, 2, and 3 is a chiller system. So basically for your heating, guys, you have your boiler feeding. And then for your AC, you're dealing with water rather than the refrigerant. And the controls we just saw inside, chiller 1, chiller 2, chiller 3. That's how those systems are cooling. That's how those systems cool. And as you guys saw, you saw the boiler. So that was just a simple board change, and then we had to check on the space vac. Those are chillers, like I was saying. So basically, you have the water feeding the condensers in the system. That's what removes the heat out of the house in the summer. And then the boiler is what heats in the winter. Pretty good systems. All right, guys, we're going to go over to I believe it's a gas furnace. Quick maintenance. Check it out. Go through the operations. Hello. How you doing?
Good. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Is your equipment in the attic or the basement?
Attic.
Do we need a ladder?
I have one here. You can see if it's
It's
okay.
okay. Let's check it out. Awesome.
Yeah. If you push. There you go.
Kind of.
Kind of let it off or push it up.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay.
I just climbed
There
through
we go.
there. I've been able to climb through there and not be a problem. Yeah, you lift it up and just push it to. You see the string
I'll
on
find
the
it.
right hand side?
Yeah, I'll find it. Years old, guys. Not getting any younger, that's for sure. This attic is brutal. Wow, B. Yeah. 43 years old. Girl was home when I was in the 9th grade and shit. Okay. Alright, carrier. I always check to start up before I touch anything in the house, as we all should. Igniter, gas valve, flame sensor, go for the fan. This guy's brand new. Looks like it's a 2019. Damn, good, nice. Okay. My coworker's gonna come up somehow through there. But what I'm gonna do here, pull my pressure switch, turn my gas cock off, and my flame sensor out, and take my HSI off. Cool down. And then I'll pull it apart and work on it, or clean it up. I'll replace that 213 filter. Hey Bubbles, can I get that filter? Okay, can I please have my 2-in-1? I'll need it for something else, but. My pressure switch port. I like to take a thermostat screwdriver and make sure that's cleared out. I mean, it's thermostat wire. I'm so shot. Just make sure there's no carbon buildup in it. Like that. Okay, pull the manifold out to clean the burners because they don't get cleaned if you don't. And then I want to grab this. Sometimes when you pull it out, you don't line it up perfectly. Hold on 1 second, let me, yeah, there we go. I always make sure that this was lined up with the orifices. Again. Do a little one-handed operation. That's why there's nothing better than a magnetic driver. What do they say? You're only as good as your tools? Flame sensor. If I could get my finger on it. HSI plug in. Temperature rise parameters are 26 to 55 on this. Check the gas pressure too. The 42 temperature split. This guy's running well. Let me check gas pressure. My co-worker's getting my manometer. Set it on. It was set at 3.3. I brought it to 3.49. It was the best I could get it. I'm coming down now. Sure, guys. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it's part of it, right? Part of the job. Do 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 do. Buddy, just light. What temperature do you like?
Right now, 68.
What? How many years? How old was the? You said it was a heat pump before, or it was
No,
the last one was furnace?
It was an electric also.
Okay.
But what was happening, I think there was a sensor, that thing would go off for about 3 years. It started giving us a problem.
Gotcha.
Where it wouldn't light, the igniter.
Yeah, the igniter.
The igniter.
So that was, how old was that system that you had?
It was probably about, maybe about 12, 13 years
That's
old.
young. That's not even that old, but.
Yeah. And the
was
one
cool.
before that.
Let's go on to the next call. We'll see what you got to call in dispatch and see what it is. So let's see how the humidifier, how we're gonna set it. So this humidistat, do me a favor, turn that humidistat all the way to test. Yep. Okay, stop it, bring it back. Off, good. Okay. And now I want to change, if you will, that. Make sure it clicks in. And then hit that humidistat again, please. Test? Yep, all the way to test. All right, shut it off. And now you're going to set it to 35%, please. Thank you, sir. Pull that. Gentle from the plastic. Yep. There you go. Perfecto. Need another silver tape. Don't grab a roll of it. Just grab like a length, a couple lengths of it. Wait for this to cool down. Let's give it a little cleaning. Could I have my bag? Yes, you can take that. And the tape too. Thank you. This guy's old. We're going to check combustion. This furnace here. Check for CO. So after it starts up and runs. Tell her she could lower the thermostat to wherever she wants. It's fine. What's that? Both. Yeah, they're done. We're done. Guys, that was a combustion test and humidifier change. Humidifier pad change and make sure it was running. All right, guys, that was just another quick call. Had to go and set up a humidifier for somebody, so then we just thought we'd go through a couple of the things with the furnace for them. Let's see if there's another call. It's still early. It's only 1 o'clock, 1:30. We're on our way to a dealership in Westchester County, New York for a no heat. I don't know the details. I think they have rooftop units over there. Let's see what it is. Yes, you are. Let's see what it is when we get there. Bridge is nice, bro. So we got a blank thermostat. Okay.
Okay, they fixed the roof.
Okay.
Really.
Yeah.
I don't know if you just want to go straight up there.
Yeah, I need to get through the roof to the heating unit.
Right here.
Just tripped. Let's start it up and see why. I don't know, I don't know why it was tripped. Yeah, tripped again. Okay, we're gonna see if it trips again and why. Okay, it tripped again. So now we're going to isolate. I'm going to remove it from the circuit. So we got to go downstairs, and we have to, there's going to be a short in this wire, most likely. So we have to go downstairs. We're going to use the orange wire for our W2. We have to take the orange wire here for W2 and go to the thermostat and switch the black at the thermostat to W2, and then make sure, and then come back up here and see if it doesn't trip. It's probably just a short in the wire. So right now we're substituting black for orange at W2, and let's go down to his thermostat. Put this in W2. Turn power on upstairs and see if we don't trip out on W2. Let's open that, just make sure the fan comes on, and we want to cut off the economizer on the other. I mean, put the cover on the filter, please. She's still calling downstairs for heat at the thermostat. There's your power. Okay, we're gonna bring this to 74 where he wants it. Done. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It was a day. It was a day, that's for sure. Take care. Hey, check out Character is Destiny. Character_is_destiny. It's a good YouTube channel. There's a lot of YouTube shorts, and there's a lot of good content on it. Good things to live by. Check it out.